A day in Ketchikan, Alaska. The moment we docked at Ward Cove, everything felt so different. The air smelled of cedar and ocean, and there was mist wrapped around the mountains like a story waiting to be untold, and quietly breathtaking. Inside the mill, live music was being played. People were like laughing and talking under the ponchos because it was raining. Then we went on this amazing drive through the Tongass National Forest, the biggest temperate rainforest in the world. Can you believe that? And there was fog hung over the tall evergreen trees, and still streams sparkled along the road. It felt like peaceful, like nature was, quietly showing us its secret. At Harriet Hunt Lake, the air was crisp, damp, and full of pine. I quickly slipped into a life jacket and climbed into this massive native style canoe. I started paddling across the still glassy water. The world just slowed down. You could hear every drop of rain, every ripple from the paddle. It was peaceful, grounding, almost felt like sacred. Everything around us felt natural and calm, like we were in a place that nature still owned it completely. We finished the canoe trip, and there was this cute little small wooden pavilion in the midst of the forest, and the fire was warm, the rain tapped on the roof, and we had this hot clam chowder and smoked salmon. It was simple, but honestly it felt like really nice after being out in the cold for so long. Before we left, our guide gave us this small little pin that said, "I canoed Ketchikan." It was a small gesture, and it made the day feel very special. So that night back on the ship, we watched the choir of men one last time, and honestly it hit us so differently. After a day like that, it doesn't feel like just another show. It felt like a proper goodbye. And later I stood in the stateroom balcony and watched the rain fall on the sea, and I realized Ketchikan wasn't just another stop. It showed me that places can be gloriously beautiful even in the rain. Sometimes the quiet moments are the most special. So enjoy it as much as you can.